Okay, everybody, it's here. You saw last week, right? 4th of July pricing has started. I think what's most important is a lot of people think, well, if I wait till 4th of July, I'll get a better deal. No, it's not going to change. You're going to get the same deal. Don't wait in lines. Make sure you have what you want in stock. Get it in before the 4th so you can actually enjoy your appliances, okay? So again, back to when is the best time to buy an appliance. Don't listen to anybody. Now is the best time, okay? Manufacturers, this is exactly how it works. 6 holidays a year. They give huge discounts to the retailers. The retailers discount their price to you. You save the most money. It's going on now. Now there is a time limit on this. This will end July the 11th. This pricing will go away. And it's not that you won't find good deals. Certainly there'll be good deals out there, but here's the key: they're going to be limited. Right now, watch this, everything is on sale. Pretty much you're going to get a great deal. So now is the time to buy appliances, okay? Get out there and look. If you can do it, I'm telling you, buy your whole kitchen now. The amount of money you're going to save as compared to, well, I'm going to piecemeal it throughout the year, doesn't work that way. Do a package, save a lot of money. I wanted to focus a little bit though today. I did some shopping for everybody, okay? I did some shopping at Home Depot, Lowe's, and of course Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, and I found some good laundry deals for you. So let's start with Home Depot. They're real competitive right now. I found an Electrolux washer dryer, EFLW17TW for $548. That's a really aggressive price, folks. I didn't find anything at Lowe's at $548. However, at Lowe's, they do still have their GE steam washer and dryer front loader. It's a GFW450SSMWW for $598 each, washer and dryer. That's really still a pretty aggressive and pretty good deal if you're looking to laundry. At Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom, we have this set right here. This is an LG 3270CW washer and the 3170W dryer. And basically what happens is you buy the washer for $599, you get the dryer free, but if you did quick math, that comes out to basically $499 each. So by far the best deal that's out there. This is an incredible deal. Buy the washer, get the dryer free. Those, I think, from a front-load laundry perspective, are the best deals out there. Again, you don't have much time. You have till July 11th. Okay, generally it starts a week or two before the holiday, the pricing, and lasts a week later, so you know the right times to hit the deals. Next week. So, by the way, if you like this information and you want to hear what I'm going to talk about next week, please click the subscribe button below, because next week I think I'm going to look for, maybe we'll do the best top load washer and dryer deal that's out there. So tune in next week if you want to see that. Don't miss it. Can't wait to see you again. Have a great day.